Today we are at the scrapyard on the hunt for more materials for creations. Just wandering around here, seeing if we can find anything. An empty box. And almost stepped on a snake.
$8,000. No low ballers. I know what I got.
You think it'll run? Well. Ooh. This little sign?
Yes.
Got me digging. Got us some goodies. So, what'd you think of our trip to the scrapyard?
Even a bad trip to the scrapyard's pretty good.
I agree. See y'all next time.